Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites quickly. Check macOS compatibility and enable any developer or beta features if Image Playground needs them. Once done, sign in with your Apple ID and grant required permissions for camera, microphone, and files so the app can access inputs and save results. Next, open Image Playground from Applications or press Command Space and type its name. This launches the environment you'll use. Doing this upfront avoids permission prompts later and keeps your workflow uninterrupted. You now create a new project and configure the critical parameters. Pick resolution and aspect ratio, for example 16:9, and set a color profile to match your output needs. Next, upload reference images or capture live input, then write concise prompts and add style tags so the model understands intent. After that, tweak strength, iteration steps, and seed values. Preview at a lower resolution to save time. These choices control fidelity versus speed, so iterate until previews look right. You finish by exporting your image in the format that fits your use case. Choose PNG for transparency or high-quality JPEG for photos, and select export dimensions. Once exported, verify colors and edges. If you see artifacts or odd composition, reduce prompt strength, increase steps, or change the seed, then rerun a targeted preview. Make sure to save the project settings as a preset so you can reproduce results. Quick troubleshooting like this prevents wasting time on full renders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.